size.
To test our app, let's assume this scenario. I am an esports coach and I want to recruit 2 new members. I got the CSV file for the Valorant player data where I can have all the players. Also, there is one requirement. If I want to see anything on the dashboard, I can write it on a text file, txt file, where I will upload on the system as well. Let's upload each document. Here is for the data source. Select the data, the requirement, everything that I want to see on the dashboard, how I want the dashboard to be, the color, everything, the rubric. Et voila, we have our dashboard where we can see everything related to the data source and also the requirement. We can see here we got the amount of players, more than 2,000 players, the average player rating 0.93 and so on. We got also the top 10 players by rating and so on. As I said, I am an esports coach and I want to recruit 2 new members. I'm located in America and I will have this players category. Yeah. So the minimal rating, I will, let's say 1.1. Okay. And the minimal ratio, KD ratio, let's put yes, 1.15. Yes. So as you can see, we got now 31 players and so on. We got now also the top 10 of players by rating for this filter. We got also the small data sets. If we want, we can export these data sets for all the visualization somewhere else. We can also download the HTML of this dashboard and send it to anyone, and the person will be able to see our dashboard, also to navigate everywhere. So let's check now. We have the top 3. Yeah, we have the top 3 here: Kuf, Nilu, and Wilai. Okay, so let's click on first skill per round. Okay, for the first skill per round, we have another top 3. We have Mada, we have Sonovka, and we have Seltri. Okay. Okay, as I said, we will leave the top 2 because they may be too expensive for us. We will take the top 3 and top 4. Top 3 we have Zedrix, and the 4 we have Kuala Mub. Okay, those 2 we will try to compare. If you want to compare them, we have the rate here. Cedric got a good rate than the other one. We have also the average compa score here, and we can compare them accordingly. If we want, we can type their name here and have only them on the table. Okay, so we got those 2. Okay, let's try to ask this question to our chatbot to see what is gonna tell us. So the question is: compare Zetris and Kaola Move as entry flaggers. Which one fits better for a team that need aggressivity space creation? Okay, let's see what the chatbot is gonna tell us. Okay, we got the answer. Yeah, that's a great question, Coach. Let's see. So here we have their state, the tree, and we have all here. And now is giving the reason why, and the conclusion said, therefore, Cedric seems to be the better fit for a team focused on aggressivity space creation. Okay. So what we can see here, yeah, Cedric, and the next one, yeah. So we can check by ourselves. We can also ask to the chatbot directly to have more information and more explanation about everything. Let's join the filter. Let's let ask him to redo the dashboard without requirement from us. Okay, as you can see, we can interact with the dashboard. I asked him if make the dashboard in dark mode. Yes, he did. Now we got the dark mode. I can tell him to maybe reduce the amount of layers. Let me know. Thank you for watching my presentation, and if you have any question regarding this presentation or my software, feel free to contact me.